Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. The powerful PR broadcast block. This block is designed to let you instantly interact with your entire audience, sending promotional or informational messages to all your Telegram bot subscribers at once. Here's how it works. The moment a user enters your bot and hits the start button, the Questflow platform automatically captures and saves their data, specifically their unique Telegram ID. From that point on, you have your own warm database, allowing you to communicate with these users and send them any materials completely free of charge. This is the perfect way to retarget clients you've carefully gathered through various advertising campaigns. Questflow neatly accumulates this entire audience in one place for you. For instance, on the screen, you can see a list of all users. The platform gives you complete control over your database. If needed, you can easily delete any user with just one click. To everyone else remaining on the list, you can broadcast important news, special offers, or announcements. Setting up this kind of broadcast in the builder takes just a few seconds. We take the PR broadcast block and link it right after the start block. In the block settings, we simply select the specific Telegram bot that will be used to send the message to its entire database. Please note that this block works seamlessly, not only with the standard start button, but also with the extra start button. This is incredibly convenient if you want to trigger a broadcast, not immediately, but during a specific scenario or action within the bot. You simply set up an additional trigger and send your message at exactly the right moment. Furthermore, experienced marketers often use this tool in conjunction with the delay block, placing it right before the broadcast. In the delay settings, you can choose between two scenarios. Set an exact time. Ensure the promo goes out to all users at a specific time, like exactly 10 a.m. Set a time interval. Configure it to send new valuable content or follow-up messages on a daily basis. All of this turns Questflow into a full-fledged CRM system for managing your Telegram audience. You no longer need third-party mailing services. Manage your database, set up flexible triggers, automate lead nurturing, and sell your services entirely on autopilot without writing a single line of code.